I have 50 brand new courses that I'm going to give you. And not only am I going to give it to you, you can give them away as well. You can sell them, use them as bonuses, whatever you want. You're going to get full PLR rights to these 50 brand new courses that I've never given away. And I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of free shotgun traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. My jokes, they are as stale as well the pretzels I threw out yesterday. I've been on a pretzel craze lately. I've been buying these sourdough pretzels all the time, and I really like them. They're great for snacking, but you know what? They get stale if you leave the bag open. Go figure. Yeah, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Seriously, dude. Okay, this is getting annoying. All right. It's enough with the crap. Nobody wants the crap except you. So keep it to yourself, okay? Yeah. If you are new, so if these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. I have the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Edmond. Now, you see, Liz, she used to be my fellow New Yorker. I now live in Pennsylvania. We have a beautiful, beautiful, as you can see behind me, we're slowly getting things decorated. I got another one of my paintings up on the wall behind me. I got one of my favorite paintings up earlier, and now there's another one above the easy chair in my study. We're really, really excited. I just got my chess set fully set up now. I have a beautiful chess set here. It's a really gorgeous house, and it's all thanks to you guys, because you guys helped me build my business, and I want to help you build your business. That's why I'm doing this. So let's stop chit-chatting and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for free shotgun traffic. Now, this is a brand new course from my friend Kevin Feige. Kevin is one of the biggest names in the industry. He has been doing this for a long time. He makes millions of dollars online, really does incredible work, and makes a ton of money. You can see some of his results here, one after another, after another, after another, from Stripe, $167, $167, on and on and on and on and on. This course really does work. He's got some amazing strategies. What's really cool about it, you see, I've always been a guy who, the way I get my leads is that I do a launch, and I do a launch, another launch, another launch, another launch. Kevin has come up with a way of actually bringing in fresh leads without doing launches and making money off of it. And he does it for free. That's super cool. But of course, if you want to get people to sign up to you and give you their valuable email address for free, you need to have a high quality product. It's just that simple. You cannot get away without doing that. You must have a quality product to give them. So in order to do that for you, I just spent hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. Literally, I'm not kidding when I say this cost me a ton of money. I just bought a license for you to 50 brand new PLR courses. These are high quality courses. You cannot buy these things from, like ID PLR. I know that there's a lot of free PLR websites online where you can get junk that you can give away for free. This is not the junk that you get for free. These are high-end stuff that are written by professionals who actually know what they're doing. It's quality stuff that's written to actually do the job correctly. They work, they're good, they're high-end stuff. And I've given away a ton of these before. A lot of you really love these things when I give them away. And I finally managed to convince the people I bought them from last time to let me buy more. I bought 50 courses just today, cost me a ton of money, and you are going to get them completely for free when you pick up the free traffic shotgun from me. But I'm not done yet. Pick up any upgrade at all. I'm going to give you another 80. That's a total of 130 brand new courses that you can use as bonuses. Think about how many things you can do with that. Bonuses. You can sell them. Okay, you can literally package them up, put them into their own sales page, and sell them as a new product. Okay, you can use them as a lead magnet using the free traffic shotgun methods they're going to learn in this course. All right, that's insane. 130 courses. Nobody else is going to give that to you. But I'm not done yet, because I'm going to give you a third bonus. Pick up any 2 upgrades. They have to be worth, you have to spend at least $50 total, because I'm not going to give it for anything. Pick up any 2 upgrades worth total at least $50, including the front end product. So in total, you spend at least $50. You're going to get a copy of BoostOptIn from me. BoostOptIn is $97. There are no discounts available anymore on BoostOptIn. They're all gone. It's $97 for BoostOptIn. But pick up any 2 upgrades, you're going to get BoostOptIn completely for free from me. Let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. And then I want to also tell you a little bit about some of the bonuses that you're going to be getting from me, because I have, like I said, these are great, high-end, well put together courses. They're not the cheap junk that you can get for free online. You can't buy these for free online. You can't buy them really anywhere. I had to make a deal. I contacted the people I bought from before, and I said, hey, you know, my customers really love this stuff. Can I buy more from you? They really didn't want to do it. They said, we really closed it down. We're not doing that anymore, because they realized that, you know, selling the right to me to give them away to you was costing them a lot. I had to make a deal with them to pay them a ridiculous amount of money to get these for you, but I got them for you. I got all 130 courses for you. That's 50 that you get just picking this up. Right now, you can see here, I'll show you, it's going for $18. All right, that's nothing. When you get 50 courses, that's like, what, pennies per course. All right, seriously. Scrolling. Okay. Here, I'll show you how much it's going for. $18.07 right now, okay? But you have to hurry, because it is going to go up in price. Every single time somebody buys, it goes up in price. It costs you more and more and more and more and more, depending on how long you wait. So do not wait. Pick it up for $18 and change, and you're gonna get 50 courses from me. Okay, let me show you the members area real quick over here. This is the members area. You can see he's got an entire thing showing you everything you need to know. And there's even a done for you offer included with this. But of course, nobody's going to give you the 50 courses except for me. I'm giving that to you. And I had to work hard to get you that deal. Okay. Seriously, people, get this one from me. Okay. Because nobody else is going to give this to you. Let me just tell you a few of the courses that we've got here. So for example, email marketing tips for entrepreneurs, Entrepreneur Essentials, Business Booster, outsourcing your business, list landslide, limitless lead generation, JV mastery for massive traffic, guest posting secrets, okay, super affiliate marketing, the accidental blogging marketplace, the branding formula, the copywriter's handbook. These are good high-end courses that you cannot buy anywhere else. Like I said, if you go to the website for the place that I buy this from, it says closed. They won't sell it to you. Period. You can't buy them from them. All right. I had to contact them and make a special deal and pay them hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of dollars in order to get these for you. But I got them for you. You're going to get all 50 of these completely, totally for free when you pick it up from me. So let's see if I'm going to give it to match the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay. You the man. I love this course. This is awesome. And you're going to get so much value from me when you pick it up directly from me. Grab this. You're going to love it.